Hello, YouTube creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly revolutionary to share with you. We'll be talking about an advanced technique to level up your YouTube studio setup using AIgenerativefill. Are you tired of spending hours editing your videos, trying to remove unwanted objects or fixing imperfections? Well, worry no more. With AIgenerativefill, your editing process becomes faster and more seamless than ever before. Let's dive into the details of this game-changing technology. Scene 1. Introduction to AIgenerativefill. Host standing in front of a green screen, demonstrating samples of videos. Host, before we jump into the setup, let me explain what AIgenerativefill is. It's an innovative artificial intelligence technology that uses machine learning algorithms to automatically fill in missing or unwanted areas in your videos with intelligent and visually appealing content. It saves you significant time and effort during the editing phase. Scene 2. Benefits of AIgenerativefill in studio setup. Host sitting in a well-designed studio, showcasing his setup. Implementing AIgenerativefill in your YouTube studio setup brings several advantages. Firstly, it enhances the overall video quality by intelligently filling in blanks and fixing any unforeseen distractions. Secondly, it improves your editing workflow, allowing you to focus on creating compelling content rather than fixing smaller issues. Lastly, it saves time and effort, accelerating your video production process. Scene 3. Step-by-step guide to implement AIgenerativefill. Host with a whiteboard, illustrating the step-by-step process. Let's now explore how to implement AIgenerativefill in your YouTube studio setup. This step-by-step guide will help you get started with the technology in no time. Choose the right software. Select a reliable AIgenerativefill software that suits your requirements and budget. Do thorough research and read reviews to make an informed decision. Setup equipment. Ensure you have a well-equipped studio with a high-resolution camera, quality lighting, and a suitable backdrop. The better your equipment, the better the generative-fill results. Record clean footage. Capture high-quality footage with minimal distractions or unwanted objects. This will serve as the basis for AIgenerativefill to work its magic. Import footage and apply AIgenerativefill. Upload your recorded footage to the AIgenerativefill software and apply the fill algorithm. Sit back and let the software work its magic. Review and finalize. Once the AIgenerativefill process is complete, review the video and ensure it meets your expectations. Make any necessary adjustments or fine-tuning to achieve the desired results. Scene 4. Advanced tips and tricks for optimal results. Host in a studio, showcasing various tips and tricks. Host, to take your YouTube studio setup to the next level, here are some advanced tips and tricks for optimal AIgenerativefill results. Utilize multiple sources. Experiment with a variety of visual sources to feed the AIgenerativefill algorithm, such as stock footage, backdrop images, or previous video frames. This enhances the ability to generate accurate and visually pleasing content. Customize AI parameters. Depending on the software you choose, there might be options to adjust certain AI parameters. Play around with these settings to fine-tune the output and achieve the best results. Continuously train and update. AIgenerativefill technology evolves rapidly. Keep an eye on software updates and new releases to stay ahead of the game and benefit from the latest advancements. Now that you have all the tools and knowledge, it's time to revolutionize your YouTube studio setup with AIgenerativefill. Outro. Host, thank you for joining us today as we explored the next-level YouTube studio setup using AIgenerativefill. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content to help you enhance your video production. Until next time, happy creating. Thanks for watching.